see. I gotta turn off the water. Hi, kitty. Yeah, let's see. I think I should turn this off first. Okay, that water's off. I've already drained the toilet, so I just need to drain the gray water. That's off. Okay, so now I gotta open these. I guess this empties what's in the pipes left over from not being pumped out, which I think is a smart thing if it's gonna freeze tonight, yeah? The only thing is, I don't know if I have to leave it open during winter so that it can expand and I don't know. I guess I'll have to Google that one. It's making all kinds of noise. See that tree? That worries me. Super windy, super windy. And then do I take this hose off when I winterize? I don't know. Almost done. Dripping. Anyway, hi baby. Hi honey. Hi honey. Hi. Didn't like his picture taken. Okay, I'm gonna finish up. I don't think I have that much to do. Maybe unplug it from the power or just turn the power off. I don't know. One more thing. I think I have to empty the water heater too. Is there a valve for that? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, I was all finished on the inside and getting ready to walk out with my hands full and got to thinking about this guy. I can get it off one-handed. There we go. There. Okay. Is there a valve? Is that it? Important. That looks like it would make the water go right onto that thing though. And those are just like little rubber. But that's where it's set up, so I'm gonna try it. Eesh, scary. Nothing comes out. What the heck? Do I have to take that off? I don't know. Ooh, scared me. It just popped back. I don't know. Oh, duh, instructions. Oh, those are for light. That's for lighting it. Well, I think it's time to go to Google and see what it says about it. So I will go do that. I'm assuming it's this right here that has to come off to drain it. And I think that's the heating element. But I don't have a replacement for it. So I'm going to go do some research and I'll be back. Bye again. Okay, real quick before my battery dies. What I ended up finding out and doing was I opened up all the faucets on the inside of the TrailManor, and I opened up, I guess they call it a pressure relief valve on the water heater, and all kinds of water came out. So I'm thinking that did it. It's just got, where is it? A little bit of dripping going on right now. So yeah, that's what I did. And in the meantime, I put some other stuff away, just kind of cleaning up a little bit. Anyway, so that's it. I'm going to lock up the doors, turn the water faucets off, and I'll be all done. Talk to you later.